Hello my dear friends, today we will be discuss about the linear equation chapter number 2 exercise 2.5 of standard 8. Okay, in the previous class we have discussed some of the topic regarding the linear equation. Now in this class we will be discuss what is the how to solve a linear equation. In previous class, if statement is given, then how will we form the equation and how will we solve the equation in step-by-step process, we know it. In this class, we will be solve a equation in the step-by-step process. Okay, so get ready my dear friends. Okay, ready? Okay, let's take an example of 2.5 exercise, question number 1. What is the question it is given? It is given x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Okay, this is the question it is given in your book. Okay, my dear friends. So how will we solve this one? Okay, how will we solve this one? First process is take the LCM of 2 and 5. LCM of 2 and 5 is how much? We know it. Because these two are the which number? It is the prime number. So directly multiply it. 2 5s are 10. So the LCM is 10. Okay. Then how much? 10 divided by 2 how much? 5. 5 into x. 5x. Minus sign. 10 divided by 5 how much? 2. 2 into 1. 2. Is equal to. What it will be happen here? Here LCM is how much? 12. Why? The one is prime, one is even number, composite number. That's why I had multiplied it. Okay. So 12 divided by 3 how much? 4. 4 into x, 4x. Okay. Then plus 4. 12 divided by 4 how much? 3. 3 into 1 it is 3. Okay. Now here two steps are there. Either you can cut these two because these two are the even number. You can directly cut it, or by cross multiplication process. So we will go two process. Okay. First 5x minus 2 by 10 is equal to 4x plus 3 by 12. By cutting it, how? You can cut it like this: 2 5s are and 2 6s are. Okay. If you have any problem in the cutting process, okay, cancellation process, then you can go direct to the cross multiplication process. We studied in the previous class. Okay, excuse me. So go for the cross multiplication. If you have easy with the cross multiplication, then go for the easy cross multiplication. What is that? Like this one, it will multiply. What is that? 12 divided by 5. 12 multiplied by 5x minus 2 is equal to 10 multiplied 4x plus 3. Okay. Now 60x minus 24 is equal to 40x plus 30. Yes or no? Good, very good. So in the next step, what you have to do? Bring the variable one side and the constant one side. Okay. Then this one will come to this side and the rest will be as it is. First check it which sign it is. Plus sign. When it will come shifted to opposite side, it will be minus. And here whatever the plus is there, write it there. And this 24 will go to that side and will come back to plus. 60 minus 40, 20x is how much it is? 54. Then x is equal to what? 54 by 20. Okay. Then how much it will be? Tell me how? It will going by 4. Or 2. Go for 2. 2s are 2 2s are 2 7s are. Here 2 10s are. Okay. Then how much it is? 27 by 10. Or you can write it in the form of what? Mixed fraction or decimal. Whatever you can use it. If you write in decimal, 2.7, or what it will be? 2 whole of 7 by 10 is the answer. Because it is in the fraction, write in the fraction case. Okay, my dear friends. So this is the first process how to solve an equation if equation is already given. Okay, or given equation. Okay. So this is the process you have to be do one by one. Understood? Okay. Shall we go for the second one? Okay, very good. Okay, some of the question I will be leave for you so that you can practice it. Okay, so go for the third one. I will leave the second one for you. Okay, what is the third one? It is saying, my dear friends, x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus, how much it is given? 5x by 2. So, like this manner, if it is given, means what you have to do? Tell me, my dear friends. What you have to do? You have to bring the, or you have to be first pairing the expression first. Here x is there. So x minus 8x by 3, and this 7 will be as it is. Here this side it will be as it is. Just write it. Okay. Next, what is the LCM? Here nothing is there, means 1. So the LCM is 1. 3. That will multiply with 3x by minus 8x plus 7 is equal to, you can directly do this one. If you want to do it, then do it. No problem is there. What is the LCM? 6. Okay. Then 17 minus 15x. Directly do it. Okay. Understood, my dear friends? So what it will be the next one? Who will tell me? Solve this one. How much? Minus 5x by 3 plus 7 is equal to, how much it is? Oh, sorry. What is happening? Something is wrong here. Check it. Okay, write the number as it is. Okay, 17 minus 15x by 6. Understood, my dear friends? Again, LCM is there. Okay, go for it. What is that? Or here you can direct take the LCM also. In this case, direct take the LCM also, it is also okay. Okay, but step by step process, it will be good for you to not make any mistakes. Understood? So this is the statement is come. Again, the step is what? You can cross it. 3 1s are, 3 2s are, you can do it. But go for cross multiplication. It will be easy for you, my dear friends. So what it will be? 6 into minus 5x plus 21, and here 3 into 17 minus 15x. Understood, my dear friends? So what is the multiplication? You here will go minus 30x plus 6 126 is equal to, how much it is? 3 7 are 21, 1 2 and 51 minus how much? 45x. Now in this case, bring the variable one side and constant one side. What should I will do? Write it here. Always remember, if there plus signs are there, just check it, because plus and minus are very, very important for us. Okay, my dear friends. So go for it. How much it is? Minus 30x is here. When 45 will come to this side, it will come plus 45x. Okay. Okay. Then equal symbol, put the equal symbol. 51 will be as it is, and 126 will go to that side. It will come minus 126. Now how much it is? It is 15x. Okay. Then subtract these two. How much it will be? 575 minus 75. Okay. So x is equal to how much then? Minus 75 by 15. 15 5s are 75. So x is equal to minus 5, my dear friends. Understood? Okay. So like this manner you have to be solve the equation. Shall we go for the next one? Okay. I will turn the question first. Okay. The next one is the question number 4. Okay. Do step by step process so that you can get the answer correctly. Okay. Next one is called, it is the very, very easiest one. X minus 5 by 3, x minus 5 by 3 is equal to x minus 3 by 5. This is the question number 4. What do we do? Simply cross multiplied it, directly do it. Okay, 5 into x minus 5 is equal to 3 into x minus 3. What will be the next step? You have to multiply it. Open the bracket. 5x minus 25, 3x minus 9. Next step, what? Arrange the constant and variables in one place. What is that? 5x minus 3x is equal to minus 9 plus 25. Here 3x will come to this side and minus will be going to that side, become plus. 2x is equal to how much? 14. How much? 14? Or what? It is 16. Okay, 16 it is. So x will be what? Or you can, what you have to do? Divide both the side 2. 16 by 2. 2 cancel. 2 8 x is equal to 8. So it is the easiest one. Okay, my dear friends. Now rest of the question you just do by your own. Okay, it will be very easy. Just arrange the things. Shall I do another one? Okay, last one I will do it. Okay, what is the last one? You clear your doubt, my dear friends. If you like it, then subscribe my channels. Okay, and it will make help to your friends. Okay. So what is the next one? 7th number. What is saying that? 7th number is saying that simplify and solve the following linear equation. What is the equation is given? Just read it. 3 into t minus 3 is equal to how much it is given? 5 into 2t plus 1. 2t plus 1. Okay. So how will you? What you have to do in the first step? Yes, take out the brackets. 3t minus 9 is equal to 10t plus 5. Okay, this is t. Okay, this is t. Okay, now bring the what? Variable one side and expression another side. What you have to do? Either take this one to that side and take this one to this side. Okay, what it will be then next? Minus 9 minus 5 is equal to 10t minus 3t. 9 minus 5, how much it is? Minus 14 is equal to 70, or 70 is equal to minus 14. Now here, what you have to do? Both the side, divide 7 is equal to minus 14 by 7. 7 cancel, 7 minus 2. So t is equal to minus 2. This is the answer we get it. So it is the easiest process now, my dear friends. So you have to solve it in a step-by-step process. Okay na? Now, shall I go for the decimal one? Okay, and the rest one you can do it by your own. Okay. If you have doubt, write in my comments. If you like it, then what? Subscribe my channel, my dear friends. Okay. So go for the decimal one. 0.25. Which one is it? The 10th one. Okay. 0.25. 0.25. Sorry. 0.25 into 4f minus 3 into 4f minus 3 is equal to what is given then? Is given 0.05 into 10f minus 9. 10f minus 9. Here two processes are there. What is the process? Either you directly multiply it or make it a fraction form. It will be better that you just make it into a fraction form, so that it will be easy for you. Okay, my dear friends. So do it. What do you have to do it? Or go for the multiplication directly. You can do it. Okay. How much it is? Go for multiplication. Okay, whatever it will be easy for you. I will go for the fraction form. Okay. What is that? 25 by 100 into 4f minus 3. Here 5 by 100 into 10f minus 9. Yes or no? Huh? So what you have to do here? Again I can change this one to which one? 25 into 4f minus 3 whole divided by 100. Yes or no? Because it is multiplied. That's why I am making whole divided. 5 into 10f minus 9 whole divided by 100. Same thing it is, my dear friends. So no problem is there because your multiplication is there. That's why I am just making. Here you can cancel both of them. You can cancel it. Okay. Here the process is there. You can cancel it also. Let's go for the cancellation process. Okay. So directly multiply it. 100f minus 75 is equal to 50f minus 45. Okay. So bring the variable and constant in one place. So what is that? 100f minus 50f is equal to minus 45 plus 75. Okay. So how much it is coming? 50f is equal to how much it will be? Good. 30 plus or minus? Yes, plus 30. So f is equal to how much? 30 by 50. 0 0 cancel. F is equal to 3 by 4. Because the question is given in the decimal form, you have to write in decimal form here. What is that? F is equal to 0.6. How I did it? 0.6. 3 divided by 5. How much? 0.056 is 30. So how much it is? 0.6. So answer is 0.6. It is easier, my dear friends. Whatever the process, you can use it. Okay, now do it step by step process, and it must be understood by your invigilator. Okay. If I go by direct multiplication, cross multiplication also, it is a lengthy one. It is the easiest one. Okay. Lengthy. Whichever the process, you can do it. By what? Cancellation process also. By what? Cross multiplication process also. Whichever is easy, you can go for it. Okay. Understood, my friends? So this is the sum of the equation solved from the chapter 2 exercise 2.5. So my dear friends, if you have any doubt, just write in my comments, like it and subscribe my channel. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.